Feel here's some Dua Lipa.
Teasing, I'm teasing, I'm sitting on him. All of my diamonds are dripping on him. Met him at the club, it was 12 or something. So I owe him more wine, cause tonight I want him. Little context if you care to listen. Found myself in a shit position. Mental set me down last night. Told me it was over, no decision. I don't really care how my heart is beating. Don't wanna feel, so I stick to sipping. Out in the club with a simple mission. In my little black dress and the shit was sitting. Just a hard road bitch, high heels, 6 inch. In the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust the images I'll whip in the back of the taxi. Sip the cocaine, drunk calls, drunk texts, drunk tears, drunk sex. With the girl man was on the same page now. Not to mention, back to the bar, to the hotel, to the bed, me to my own way. I don't wanna feel like I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Doctor, doctor, please, doctor, doctor, have mercy on me. Ooh, take this pain away. I don't wanna feel. Season and teasing, I'm sitting on it. All of my diamonds are dripping on it. Met him at the club, it was 12 or something. So I owe him all wine, cause tonight I want him. Little context if you care to listen. Found myself in a shit position. Nonetheless, set me down last night. Told me it was over, no decision. I don't really care how my heart is sitting. Don't wanna feel, so I stick to sipping. Out in the club with a simple mission. In my little black dress and a shit sitting. Just a hard roll bitch, high heels, 6 inch. In the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust the images I'll whip in the back of the taxi. Sipping cocaine, drunk calls, drunk texts, drunk tears, drunk sex. Before a man who's on the same page now. Back to the intro, back to the bar, to the hotel, to the big beat, to my own place. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Doctor, doctor, please, doctor, doctor, mercy on me. Ooh, take this pain away. I don't wanna feel like I did last night. I don't wanna feel like I did last night. Doctor, doctor, please, doctor, doctor, mercy on me. Ooh, take this pain away. I don't wanna feel. She was more like a movie queen on a movie scene. Said, oh my, what can it mean? I am the one who would dance on the floor and around. Told my baby every dance the beach and looked at me. Shut up photos, my baby cried. Eyes were like mine. Cause she danced on the floor and around. So take my stroke advice. And always think twice. Don't think twice. Ooh, people always told me be there for you. Go around making your girls' hearts. Mama always told me be there for your love. That's what you do. Let your life become the truth. Ooh, yeah. Billie Jean is not my lover. Just a girl who claimed that I am the one that is not my son. Yeah, I am the one, and the cutie is not my son. She told me her name was Lady Jean, and she was so sweet. Then always turned as a dream of being the one. She made us all go and around. So take my strong like what you do. Go around breaking your girl's hearts. Mama always told me, be careful you love, careful what you do. Let some lie become the truth. Ooh, yeah, Billy Jean is not my mother. Just say girl, maybe I am the one, and it is now my son. Yeah, I am the one, and the kid is not my son. Yeah, I am the one, and the kid is not my son. Then Timberlake came out. If I wrote you a serenade, just to say how much you mean to me. If I told you you were beautiful, would you take me on the regular? 'Cause baby, I've been around, so you never seen another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, so take me on the regular. My love, ooh, baby, say my love, my love, my love. Say my love, ooh, yeah. Who's better have my money? You should know me right now. Who's better have my money? Please don't worry, I'm a girl. Baby, what's your only? Wanna be forever, run. Better have mine. Better have mine. It's not right. If I take the time, you just wanna shine. I'm gonna see if you think you're gonna knock me on that time. Nothing I can say, I'm not ready for it. Don't act like you forgot. Please better have my money. You should know me right now. Please better have my money. Please don't call me, I'm a girl. Baby, what's your only? Wanna be good in the fun. She better have mine. She better have mine. Better have mine. Better have mine. Flying to Rihanna, I'm gonna get wasted. Every time I jump on and I only shoot it. Yeah, in the hotel tonight, you're in the living room, chasing away. But it's not right. Baby, what's your only? Don't act like you forgot. She better have my money. You should know me right now. She better have my money. Please don't call me, I'm a girl. Baby, what's your only? Don't let me call you in front. You better have mine. She better have mine. Better have mine. Better have mine. She better have my money. If I wrote you a serenade, just to say how much you mean to me. If I told you you were beautiful, would you take me on the regular? 'Cause baby, I've been around the world, never seen another girl like you. This ring here represents my soul. Take it us for once and all. My love, my love. Wait, he wants me to throw this.
That's good. Gertie's up there.
Vic, is that your puppy? Yay! Let's have a round of applause for Puppy. Never a dull moment at Brushy. I hope somebody got a photo of that. Oh, you good? The pup dog.
Got it all on video.
Kiss me, how feeling are lately? Beside the green grass, sleeping. Bring your flower head, we'll break the chain right down your father's neck. Kiss me, feeling the new guitar lately. I don't know that let your open head, strike on the bed and make the firelight dance to the moon smiling. So kiss me. Hey Damien, my partner's been nagging me to take hip hop seriously in Australia for about 4 years now. But I haven't found anyone in Australia. I know. Who knows what's up? So if you want to work, man, keen. And that last song you did, with that old-timey start, if you could do that, do you think you could do that with a live band? Yeah? I feel like it's a good direction to go. Like if you have a live band playing that behind you, yes. Let's talk, man. Yeah. Kiss me, how I'm feeling, lately. Beside hanging tires, sing swing. Swing your line up, we'll take the chain right down your body's neck. Wow, kiss me, beneath the new guitar lately. How I feel that floor, kiss your open head, strike on the bed and make the firelight dance to the moon sparkling. So kiss me. So kiss me. So kiss me. This is a request for the pretty girl over there on that table. Hey, you get short jokes, I get finish jokes. heard yesterday, and so I came to see him and listen for a while. He was this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers. Yes, he was seeing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I felt all the strength, fever, embarrassed by the crowd. Out there he found a little sympathy for now. I pray that he will finish, but he just ripped my arm, trying to play with his hands. Yes, he was seeing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Hey Jack, I don't think I've recorded this song with you yet. Alright, this song is about moving from New Zealand to Australia. And I wrote it on the e-car on a midnight train from Paull to Sydney. And it's like you play the pop gigs, you finish, you've got just enough time to drive very questionably to the train station.
Yeah.
know the conductor. I'm like, hey man, how's it going? He's like, oh, it's you again. Do you have a guitar? You know, we're not supposed to put that through luggage. And I'm like, yeah, I know. It's all right, man. I'll just carry it. Anyway, I was putting e-car to put that in perspective for you. First class is A. Guess what B is? E's quite the way down the alphabet. Because they put all the noisy ones, the ones who won't be quiet, they go, excuse me miss, I feel like I have just the perfect seat for you, so just follow me. Follow me down. I said, yeah, bring your bags. Yep, you can bring your guitar, that's fine. And so they put me in a car all by myself. I was like, fuck yeah, guys, what? Is this an option? Because I can never find it online when I book the tickets, right? It's not an option. And so they put me in an e-car. And I was listening to the tracks on my way to Sydney going south. Da-da, 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 da-da.
Piece of the time, gonna get me through the gates. Gonna get me all the things I want, but give my soul away. Yeah, the teacher teach forgiveness. Gonna get me through the gates. Learn me all the things I want if I let myself away. Don't get me through the gates. Don't get me all the things I want, but give my soul away. Yeah, teacher, teach forgiveness. Don't get me through the gates. Learn me all the things I want if I let myself away. I
So originally, this song, it's been years in the making. When I was 16, I wanted to be a nun. Not even kidding. Andrew, don't laugh at me about that, I'm serious. I did, I went to Bible college and everything. And right at the end, they were giving us our mission, I wanted to go abroad and I wanted to help at-risk youth. I grew up rough. And I guess that's why I gravitated towards hip-hop. You got stuff to say that's uncomfortable. But you want to say it with conviction. Hip-hop's probably the best genre to do it in. Then my faith, having faith carries you through so much in life. So if you're starting out, especially in this profession, you need to have a strong sense of belief in yourself. Believe in the ones that made you. Anyway, after being a very good girl for a very long time, I was presented with some challenges in my life that I really couldn't make sense of. And so me and the big man upstairs, we had it out. Such a good song. I lost him and I heard for my fitting. And I packed up all my bags and I got on that train. Now
suicide, but it sure don't feel the same. Yes, I know. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, beach religion, gonna get me through the days. Give me all the things I want if I keep my soul. Get a teacher, teach forgiveness, won't get me through the gates. Learn me all the things I want if I learn myself alone. Now I know, come back one time, when I go back one time, I'm up on the track one time, give up in that one time, when I come back one time, when I go back one time, I'm up on the track one time, give up in that. Lord knows, Lord knows, yeah. Lord knows, yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah, yeah. Lord knows, yeah, every job is religion. Get me through the gates. Get me all the things I want if I keep my soul. Teacher, teach forgiveness. Get me through the gates. Get me all the things I want if I keep my soul. Ooh, I know. Cheers!
A 100 days have made me older since the last time that I saw your pretty face. 1,000 miles have made me colder, and I don't think I can look at this the same. All the miles that separate us, they disappear now when I'm dreaming of your face. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still in my lonely mind. Think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. Here without you, baby, but you're still with me in my dreams. And tonight, there's only you and me. I'll just keep on rolling as the people leave the way to say hello. But this life's overrated, but I hope that it gets better as it goes. Oh yeah, I'm here without you, baby, but you're still in my lonely mind. Think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. Here without you, baby, but you're still in my dream. Tonight, there's only you and me. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still in my lonely dream. Think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. Here without you, baby, but you're still with me in my dream. And tonight, there's only you and me. Everything I know, everywhere I go, it gets tough, but it won't This old guitar taught me to sing a love song. Showed me how to laugh and how to cry. Introduced me to some friends of mine, brightened up some days, helped me make it through some lonely nights. Oh, what a friend to have a cold and lonely night. This old guitar gave me my lovely lady, opened up her eyes and did to me, brought us close together. I guess it broke her heart, opened up the space for us to be. Oh, what a lovely place, what a lovely place to be. This old guitar gave me my life, my living, and all the things you know I love to do. Serenade the stars that shine, sunny mountainside. Most of all, I sing my songs to you. I love to sing my song for you. I love to sing my song for you. Ha, ha, you. Wow, wow. Johnny Devo. This is about a girl who's broken up with her beloved, and this is how it goes. Here I am, nothing else to say. No more loving comes my way. Left to go, not to say. Sorry now, I won't stay. Here I am, here I am, alone again without a friend. Another love, a different life will become me from now on. I wanted you, but you didn't know the way. Said goodbye, never cried. All our friends we had together stop knowing us now forever. Here I am, alone again without a friend. Another love, a different life will become me from now on. I won't live, won't survive. The tears keep coming all the time. Another love, another life. Tears keep coming from my eyes. Another Thank you. What will I do without your soft mouth? Rolling me in and kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what it means, but I'll be alright. My head's under the water, but I'm breathing fine. I'm crazy, I'm out of my mind. Cause all of me love is all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh, how many times do I have to beg you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. This world is beating you down. I'm around through every turn. You're my temple, you're my muse, my world distraction, my river and groove. Got my hands stop singing, head praying in my head for you. My head's under water, but I'm feeling fine. I'm crazy, I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Give me all of you. Cards on the table, we're both yours and all. All that is hard, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my hand, my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh, thank you. Oh woman, you treat me so mean. You're the meanest woman I've ever seen. I guess If you say so, I have to pack my things and go. Oh, hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back. Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more. Oh, baby, listen, baby, don't you treat me so this way, 'cause I'll get back on my feet someday. I don't care if you do, 'cause it's understood you got no money and you're just no good. Well, I guess if you